Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of history, that is chapter number 8, Ashoka, the emperor who gave up war. Gave up, it means left. Students, we have heard the name of King Ashoka or the Emperor Ashoka. Here, if you observe the title, in title written Ashoka the Emperor. Now, why the word Emperor was used instead of King? As a very big kingdom, it is known as an empire. A very big kingdom, it is known as an empire, and that is why the first topic of the chapter, that is a very big kingdom is equal an empire. If it is only a kingdom or a small kingdom, then a person who rules over it, he is known as a king. But a very huge kingdom, it is known as an empire. So a ruler of a very huge kingdom, he is known as an emperor. And Ashoka, he was the emperor of Maurya dynasty. Students, Ashoka was one of the greatest rulers known to history that we know. In history, we have studied or we have heard the name of Emperor Ashoka. Ashoka, the empire that Ashoka ruled was founded, was established, was set up by his grandfather Chandragupta Maurya more than 2300 years ago. It means Mauryan Empire or the Mauryan dynasty, it began with Chandragupta Maurya, or the Mughal Empire, the Mauryan Empire. It was set up, it was founded by Chandragupta Maurya more than 2300 years ago. Chandragupta Maurya, he was supported, he was assisted, he was helped by a wise man named Chanakya. This name also we have heard, Chanakya. And Chanakya, he was popularly known as Kautilya. Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of Mauryan dynasty or the Mauryan empire, he was supported by a wise man named Chanakya, and Chanakya's other name, that was Kautilya. Kautilya, being a wise man, he wrote a book named Arthashastra. Kautilya or Chanakya, he wrote one of the books that was known as the Arthashastra, the economics, Arthashastra. Chanakya or Kautilya, he supported Chandragupta Maurya to expand his rule and also guided him how to run the empire. Now, another term we have to study, that is dynasty. What is meant by dynasty? When members of the same family, become rulers one after another, then the family is called a dynasty. When members of the same family become rulers one after another, then the family is called a dynasty. And the Maurya dynasty, we can say, as the Maurya dynasty, it began with Chandragupta Maurya, then his son Bindusara, and the last one, Bindusara's son, that was Emperor Ashoka. Students, on our currency notes and coins we find the image of lions that was inscribed, that was carved out by the artisans on instruction of King Ashoka, and it is found at Sarnath. Ashoka, he was art-loving emperor, and on his instruction, the artisans inscribed various arts on pillars. So that here the first topic, that is a very big kingdom is equal an empire. A very big kingdom, it is known as an empire. The Maurya dynasty or the Maurya empire, it was founded by Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was guided or was supported by a wise man named Chanakya. Chanakya was popularly known as Kautilya. Chanakya wrote the famous book, the Arthashastra. Maurya dynasty. In Maurya dynasty, we find the three famous rulers or three famous emperors. They were Chandragupta Maurya, then his son Bindusara, and Bindusara's son, that was Ashoka the emperor. Thank you, students.